Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. So in today's tutorial, let's learn to use your Tesco Club card for your Cineworld. Also convert your vouchers and book tickets. Method 1, you can convert your Tesco Club card vouchers by logging into your account. Open the Tesco Grocery and Club Card app or visit the official Tesco Club Card website. Select the Cineworld reward, navigate to the rewards partners section and search for the Cineworld. Choose your voucher value. Decide how much in club card vouchers you want to exchange. Vouchers are worth double their face value. For example, 50p in vouchers gives you $1 to spend. Note that if you are booking a Tesco Tuesday screening, standard 2D tickets cost a flat rate of $5, requiring only 2.50 in club card vouchers. Confirm the exchange. Click Request Vouchers to finalize your order. Retrieve your partner code. Check your email inbox or the My Reward section of your Tesco app for your unique Cineworld Reward Partner voucher code. Method 2. Book your tickets on the Cineworld platform. Find the screening. Go to the official Cineworld website or open the Cineworld mobile app. Select your chosen Cinema World location, film, and preferred showtime. Select the club card ticket type, log into your MyCineWorld account, or continue the transaction as a guest. When selecting your tickets, choose the option labeled Club Card or Club Card 5.0 if you are using your Tuesday screening and select the total number of seats you need. Pick your seats. Choose your preferred seating layout on the digital cinema screen map. Apply the reward partner code. On the booking summary page, look for the payment or promotional section and click Tesco Club Card partner code. Enter the exact voucher code you received in your email. Complete the payment. If your voucher code does not cover the full balance or to settle the standard online booking fee per ticket, enter your credit or debit card details to complete the booking. Your digital cinema tickets will be emailed to you instantly. That's all for the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also do hit the subscribe button.